Hey there, Scott with Rendall Certified Cleaning Services. We've just cleaned your rugs and you're wondering how to take care of them. As soon as we give them back to you, if they're in a plastic roll, a plastic wrap, please remove them from the plastic. The reason why is because moisture can build up inside there, and that's not good for your rug whatsoever. The second thing is just make sure that you vacuum it often. About once a week should be good. If it has to go longer than that, we'd say no longer than 2 weeks on your rugs. And the reason why is because that soil gets down there, especially with higher quality rugs, it'll get down into the foundation, which is actually woven fibers. And those little soil particles get down there and start etching that backing, which causes the fibers on the top side to fall out. So vacuum it often. If you have any spots on it, spills after we're done, Fluffy goes to the bathroom on it. Rugs are one of those tricky things that it depends on what it's made of. If it's synthetic, you can always reach for Stain Fu, which is our proprietary cleaning product. It's actually designed for synthetic carpeting and rugs, upholstery for that matter. And if it is wool, you can use it on there as well. We just recommend you don't use it often or a lot. If it's silk, definitely don't use anything on it. Give us a call right away. If it's rayon, aka art silk, also known as viscose, definitely don't touch it. Give us a call. Thank you.